Hello friends, I Sushant K. Mirai, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department from R.N.J. Patel Institute of Technology, Bagadoli. In today's video lecture session, we will discuss about topic differential from the subject Automobile Engineering. In this session, we covered introduction of differential, function of differential, and working of differential. Now we move forward our discussion. Firstly, what is the differential? If cars could travel continuously in a straight line, there would be no need for differential, as the vehicle negotiates the turn, the two rear wheels or driven wheels turns the different arc of radius. Thus, the outer wheel would tend to rotate more times than the inner wheel. If the vehicle had a solid axle only and no other devices, there will be a possibility for skidding the wheels. Hence, to avoid this skidding of wheels, some mechanism must be incorporated in the rear axle, which reduce the speed of inner wheel and increase the speed of outer wheel when taking a turn. It should at the same time keep the speed of wheels same when travel on the straight path. This is accomplished with a differential, which is shown in the diagram and also in the animated figure. The crown wheel of the final drive is connected with a cage which carries a cross pin if two planet pinions are attached, or a spider in case of four planet pinions are employed in the differential. Moreover, two sun gear are meshed with the two or four planet pinion. Axle hub are splined to each of the sun gear, and the crown wheel is rotated freely on it. The differential are used in rear drive axle of a front engine rear wheel drive vehicles, also in the trans axle on front engine front wheel drive vehicle. Moreover, in a four wheel drive vehicles have differential at both the front and rear wheel. The power is supplied from engine transmission through the drive shaft, which is connected at the differential. A pinion gear is attached to the end of drive shaft. This turns the ring gear. This ring gear surrounds the set of differential gear. When the vehicle is traveled on the straight path, the cage and the inner gear rotate as a one unit, and the two hub shafts rotate at the same RPM. In this condition, there is no relative motion between the various differential gear. Now consider a vehicle rotate on the straight road with the wheel speed of n RPM. When it takes turn toward the right direction, in this situation there will be a resistance to the motion of right wheel, and as a result of differential action, if the right wheel rotate back at n RPM, then the left wheel rotate forward at n RPM. As a result, the resultant speed of the right wheel has n minus n RPM and the left wheel is n plus n RPM. The torque from the final drive, which also distributed into the two hub shafts, the planet pinion, are rotating freely on the cross pin or spider. They can't deal with the different torque of the teeth on one side from the one on the other side. Hence, they act as a balance and divide the torque equally between the two wheels on the axle, even their speeds are different. If one wheel is on a slippery surface, that is ice, mud, or the wheel gets lifted off the ground when the turning at the high speed in the racing car, it can simply skid and torque that is transmitted to it will simply cause it to rotate ideally. Then no traction force could obtain from the other wheel and the slippery wheel spin more than the crown wheel speed, while the other wheel will remain stationary. This condition is fulfilling only if there is no friction present anywhere in the system, and this is not possible in practice. The large amount of friction present in the system, the large inequality of the torques, and hence if one wheel of the vehicle with friction in the differential gets on the slippery surface, then a large torque may be transmitted to the wheel which has good grip on the road than to the slippery wheel. For utilization of the grip of that wheel is not possible in the absence of friction. Due to this reason, sometimes friction is introduced in differential by employing clutch friction plate between the sun gears and cage. These plates are loaded by disc spring for loading, increase and decrease as torque is varied. The friction resistance do not stop the normal action of differential. Such a differential is called as non-slip or limited slip differential LSD. Another alternative way which is sometimes used to avoid the slipping wheel problem is provided as a differential lock. When the lock is applied, the differential action is stopped and the whole torque is then applied to the wheel, which retain its grip on the ground. Thank you all of you to listen patiently to me. In today's video lecture session, we will discuss about differential. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel Learning Hub 2K20, like and share it, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.